So if you want a green screen effect on Instagram Reels, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is load up Instagram, and you want to click on your icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you want to click on your profile picture in the top left, and it should take you to the Instagram story camera. From here, you want to click on Reels just at the bottom, and if it's your first time doing so, it's going to bring up this message. Once you've cleared the message, you want to click on the filter icon just on the left, and it should look like a smiley face. Once you're on the Instagram Reels filters, you want to look for the green screen filter. However, if you don't have it or you can't find it, you want to scroll to the very end and click on Browse Effects. Once the effect gallery has opened up, it's going to show you loads of user generated content. Now we want to look for a green screen, so you want to click on the search bar just in the top right, and you want to type in green screen Instagram just like this. And the result we are looking for is on the screen now, and it's going to be a green screen, and it should say by Instagram just at the bottom, so you want to click on that. It's going to give you a preview of the green screen, and you want to click on try it just in the bottom left. This should take you back to your filters on the camera page, and you want to go through all the filters until you find the green screen, and it should look something like this. Now what's really cool about this green screen is that you can click on add media, and this will take you to the camera roll where you can go ahead and select a photo or a video you can use for the green screen. So I'm going to select a picture now, and as you can see it's using that picture for the background, and you can go ahead and start recording up to 15 seconds worth of footage. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a good day.